Hi guys, this is an old video that I made, but I decided to put it up today, so please enjoy and put your comments down. Hey, guess what? So I'm about to go out quickly, but let me say something. I want to say something about this TB Joshua's death. Oh my god, it touched me. Do you know why? Because as a child I lived not too far from synagogue. Yeah, I think I must have been in college then. Basically maybe how old was I? Maybe 10, 11 or thereabout. Anyways, I lived around synagogue, and man, every time the music and all that, and this I am talking about way back then, before they blossom to the world. So I don't know, is it still trending, or the trend is over? I mean, TB Joshua's there, but this is just what. Yeah, I went to Nigerian Navy Secondary School back then, Port Harcourt. So, but every time I come back from holiday, I will be hearing synagogue music, with fire, prayer, come out. Well, I had all that, and that's why I felt like, I wanted to say something, and I was just that child that never judged whatever they were doing there, but I never found myself there, thank God. And when I heard his death, it was like a big shock. Like, this man go die. Like, even if he go die now, like, what? But come on, he's human, and only God can give and take. But he's dead. I kind of feel that people should just let the man rest. So many controversies, the media is taking up. Yeah, so I don't want anyone coming to haunt me or whatever. This is just me saying he's dead. Anyways, what's the point? A lot of things have happened. Court has come out, people have criticized him, and he's gone 6 feet down. Man. And I don't know if the miracles were real or fake, but only God can judge. But what do you guys think? What do you think, really? Did it shock you? It shocked you, said the man died. It shocked me, but again, he's human, so let me hear what you think about the whole controversy. I know the trend is almost over, but come on, just leave something. Let's talk. Let me know if people think like me. Let me know if people are shocked as I was. Let me know the thing that shocked you most. Hi guys, so if you got up to this extent watching my video, enjoy my DIY remedy and recipe on how I get that glowing skin. I bet a lot of people have been asking me. So first of all, what you need, you will get your sugar, you get your honey, you will get your turmeric, okay? And then you get a small jar like what you see on the screen that you could mix them all together. You put a little bit of sugar, you can put any quantity that you like, and then you also the next thing that you're going to be adding would be your turmeric, okay? So you add your turmeric in that sugar just like you see on the screen, and then the final thing that you would add obviously is your honey. Guys, get original honey, okay? Here in America, I kind of feel that the honeys that come with the comb are the original one. I'm going to show you a sample of honey and comb, how the comb looks like. So when you add your original honey, I must emphasize on that, you mixed it all up together, mix it together, and then it looks like this. With this now, you can use it on your skin, you can use it on your face. I use it completely everywhere. Remember that this could actually be quite staining, okay? Now this is me. I have used actually I was already done, but this is what my skin looks like after I am done using that remedy, okay? Give it a try. Those are my children having their own time while mommy is having her own time. Give it a try, and let me know how it looks on your skin, okay? Just to have that glowing skin. My skin might not be the perfect skin as it were, but you know, this revives your skin, you know, makes your skin glow and pop, you know, just give it that freshness that everyone wants. All right, let me know why I'm enjoying my music. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, guys, like this video, share the video, okay? And let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried this before. Let me know what remedy works for you. I am happy to learn, you know, because I want to keep this glowing skin, especially now that it's winter. Actually, I made this video a while ago, but right now it's winter, you know. So see you guys, bye.